Welcome back, class. Now let's see examples of some correlative conjunctions. First is both and. This house is both large and cozy. Either or. This conjunction is showing choice. Either you will eat your dinner or you will go to bed. Just as so. Just as I love films, so does my brother love sports. Neither nor he is neither employed nor looking for a job. Not only but also. Not only I see your $20 but also raise you $30. Whether or I am going to help you whether you like it or not. No sooner than I had no sooner lie to you than strangle a puppy. Hardly when I had hardly sat down for dinner when the phone rang. If that is the case, then I am not surprised about what's happening. Rather than she had rather play the drums than sing. Students, in all these examples, different phases of expressions are shown, like cumulative, alternative, adversative or elative. Students, in your book some other examples are given. Please revise those also. Now, subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are used to join dependent clauses to independent clauses. Means to say, subordinated conjunctions are used in complex sentences. Means main clause is joined with subordinate clause with this kind of conjunctions. Now, kinds of subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions can be divided in different 8 categories. First is time. To express time, conjunctions like after, before, since, as well as while, until, as, so long as, till, etc. are used. For purpose, in order that, lest, so that is used. To express cause, because, since, as, these conjunctions are used. For condition, provided or provided that, supposing, unless, as, if, whether, on, condition, etc. are used. For a result or effect, so that is used. For comparison, then, no less than, as much as, etc. conjunctions are used. For manner, as, so far as, according as if are used. For concession or contrast, though, although, however, notwithstanding, as, even if, whatever, whichever, etc. conjunctions are used. Students, now let's see some examples of subordinating conjunctions. Do it before you forget. I returned home after they had gone. It is 20 years since I have seen her. Just wait till you see it. In these sentences, conjunction before, after, since, till. These are representing time. Means these are conjunctions of time. Subordinating conjunctions of time. Next, I did it because he told me to. They did as I had asked. Conjunction because and as. These are telling cause or reason. Next, he worked hard so that everything would be ready in time. I held his hand lest he should fall. Here conjunction so that and lest. These are telling purpose. Next, they were so tired that they could hardly stand. Here so that is telling result. In the first example, so that was telling purpose, here it is telling result. Next, you can stay for the weekend if you like, they will not come unless you invite them. Here if and unless, these conjunctions are telling condition. He still argues, though he knows he is wrong. Although the sun was shining, it was not very warm. Here, though and although, these conjunctions are showing concession. Last example, I am better acquainted with the city than you are. Here, than is showing comparison. Students, in your book, a lot of other examples are given. Please revise those also.